So today we will talk about this Fold 6, Z Fold 6, not the Z Fold 7. I like the Z Fold 6, and I'm going to tell you some reason why I like this Z Fold 6. And I got this more than a year now, and I'm going to tell you how's the battery life, how's the crease, do I really use this as a multitasking, and do I really love this phone? If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so, because I'm going to give you so many good informations, good tricks and tips about Samsung device or even iPhone. All right, so let's get started. Do I really like this phone? So let's go. So I got this phone from the day one that they released last year, and I really like this phone because of the multitasking. I can actually drag from like one end to the other end with no issue. Let's just say if I have like a picture, I can actually stay with one app, let's just say CapCut, and then at the bottom I can Google whatever the picture I want, and then I can actually download that picture, and then on the top I can actually release the picture. I can actually find the picture what I just download, and then that's it. I don't have to exit the CapCut, the top part, and then the bottom part I can just use the Google and do some research. At the same time, if I actually, let's just say if I'm doing some editing, like photo editing, I can do the same thing too. I can put the canvas at the top, and then I can put the Google at the bottom, and then basically I can just do research, and then I can find the pictures on the top. At the same time, if you're using WhatsApp, that's the best part, because you can actually put your Google at the bottom, WhatsApp at the top. You can actually drag the picture to your WhatsApp as well too. So this is the reason why we love multitasking, because you can do all those with one go. You don't have to exit the app, come back with the app, and all this stuff. This is one of the main reasons why I love Fold 6 or even the foldable phone. In addition, because I love taking pictures and stuff, so sometimes, let's just say if I'm actually want to take a picture from my front screen, okay, and now at the top here, I can do a selfie. When I press a selfie, when I let it go, now I can drag this and I can do my recording just like that. And then I'm using a rear camera and do all the recording what I do. And I did it so many times, okay? Pictures, videos, whatever, I do this all the time. And this is not awkward. A lot of people think that this is very awkward. It's not, because a lot of people would ask me, oh, what is this phone? That's pretty cool. Well, this is the Fold 6. So I got to introduce this phone to people when they ask me. So this is a very neat features. And a lot of people do not introduce this. They think this is awkward, but it's not. This is actually a very neat features. Now, let's talk about the battery. The battery itself is not that bad at all after 1 year. And I would say that this battery can last maybe 3 to 5 hours if you're doing editing, if you're doing a lot of research, because I do a lot of editing on this phone. So let's just say 5 hour max, ongoing, keep on going, recording, editing, everything on this phone. So let's just say it took me maybe like 50 minutes, record, edit, post, everything on this phone. And it was really fast and really good. And the battery only went down maybe 8 to 9%, and then that's it. But everything was so efficient. It doesn't even lag. And then when I post on YouTube, it looks so good. All right. So now let's talk about the crease. A lot of people may think that the crease is there and things like that. So after like more than a year now, as you can see, the crease is not a big deal. I can zoom into you. The crease is not a big deal. Remember, this is a foldable phone. There is no way there is no crease. Why people keep talking about the crease, right? This is a foldable phone. However, because it's foldable, I can use this as in the stand. Just put it on any surface, and now you can take pictures whatever you want. So you don't need a stand, you don't need anything. You can place a camera like this, okay? As long as the camera is up here, I can record anything I want. I can place this here, whatever I want, right? So the crease, it doesn't really bother me sometimes, and I really love having these crease because it's foldable, right? So it's very convenient. And the final thing is, why do I keep this Fold 6 rather than Fold 7? It's because, first of all, I already got the Flip 7. Secondly is, I really love thick foam, okay? Big, thick foam. Let's say Fold 6. It feels more solid. I can grip it. I can hold it. I will not drop it. And I think it's really, really nice. The feeling is really nice. All right. So overall, I do highly recommend people getting the Fold 6 over the Fold 7 because I don't care about the thin. I care about the thickness. And this is really, it's not that heavy and easy to carry. And I love this case. You can see that. This is a nice case. And I love this so much. And I think everybody should consider on the foldable phone because it's super useful and the multitasking is just unbelievable. All right, please subscribe to my channel and share this video and have a good day. Bye bye. Peace out.